Hi, this is Zach from Docusoft. Today I'm going to cover Docusoft CloudFiler's landing page. So I've gone to any browser on any device. I'm using Google Chrome, but you can use others, Firefox, Edge Chromium, etc. I go to mydocusoft.com and then I log in with my login information. Once I hit submit, it will take me into the landing page. From here, if we look down the left-hand side and I go down to account settings, in here you can change a few different bits of settings for yourself. So you can set yourself a default folder and a default section. I can also change the color of the theme for the whole of the software. So you can choose a different color, scroll down to it, and when you hit submit, that will change that color for you. Also, from within this screen, I can add my signature, so you can sign documents within our software against PDFs. I can choose the date format of how you want your dates to look within the software. And I can also download all of the Docusoft desktop apps and add-ins for Outlook or Microsoft Office, filing from Windows, the PDF printer. You've got the scanning app, the dashboard for your tasks, your search application as well, and a PDF merge application. If we look from the top, we've got the search icon. So this is where I would go if I want to search for documents that we've saved into the DMS. So you've got your advanced search in there, etc. You've got your tasks. So this is like your paper tray on your desk, but it's an electronic version. So if people create tasks for you, this is where they would appear. You've also got upload. So this is where you can upload single documents at once, and it works really well on a mobile phone or a tablet because it will actually ask to use your camera, and using your camera you can then scan documents directly from your phone, taking a picture, and save them into the settings. We've got add reference and references. So add reference is adding either a client customer case into our system. So it's going into the CRM system. So you can add from there, and then you can go into our CRM system on the references button. Then we've got the portal. So that's our portal for e-signature and approval, or a creditor's portal, and for sending and receiving documents securely. We have our Word and Excel built into it. So this is our own version of Word and our own version of Excel that are built in as a cloud application. We've got DocuDrive. So this is where you can save documents that you don't want in the DMS. So you can have a filing structure set up. So that's what the DocuDrive is. We can archive your mail for you. And then we've got the email option here, and that's setting up your email within the system so that you can send and receive emails from within our cloud software. And you can also Docusoft or save documents, attachments and emails directly from here into the DMS. If I scroll down a bit, this is giving me a snapshot of the task that I've got going on. So I can see the action by date, and it's in order of action by date for me to work through, or on the order of forwarded date, sorry. Then I get a list of my references. So that might be your clients or cases or candidates or customers. I've got a to-do list, so I can put in things I need to do in a day, and they come up as a list for me to work through. I can track documents, and this is where I'd see what documents I'm tracking. I can bookmark pages as well. The send and receive messages is the sent messages from our portal and the receive messages. So it's going to show me a little snapshot of what I've sent and received from people. Total Buddy is where you can check the tasks for the rest of your team. So if you click on this, it will take you into team tasks, and you can view if you have a colleague who's away, you can keep on top of their tasks from within the team task. A quick view of the DocuDrive from there, and then we've also got our checkouts. So this is what any document you've checked out of the system to work on and you haven't checked it back in again, it just gives you a list of anything that you've got checked out there. And then down the left hand side, it's the same sort of things again. So you've got your task option, search Acquire, which is a scanning tool to scan, but you can also download our scanning app within the in the account settings as well. I can upload, I've got my references, my contacts, I've got create document and sheet. I can go into CRM tasks if you've got them set up. We've got our calendar built in as well. If you're an admin, you can see users, filing drawer and sections, which is where we set up what users can see in your company, and also the filing structure and sections that are set up within it to file against. You've got your archive settings, your DocuDrive settings. You can add an email account from here so that they're set up within here. And then I've got my user guide. User guide's great because there's videos like this one that you can go and watch. If you go under videos, YouTube, and choose Docusoft Cloud, it will give you the videos to have a look at. If you are having any issues and you need help with our support, you've got the support chat help desk down here, so you can ask a question. They'll connect to your PC and get things fixed within a few minutes for you. You can also create a ticket, and then you've got a user guide of all the different areas of our software. Thank you for watching my video. Please check out my other videos.